How to post a longer story on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to split and upload a longer video as two connected story parts on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and tap Add to Story. From there, select the video you want to upload from your gallery. At this point, Facebook will automatically trim the video to the first minute. Leave it as is and tap Post to upload the first part. In the next step, immediately go back and tap Add to Story again. Following this, select the same video from your gallery once more. Once done, this time tap on Trim before posting to manually select where the second half of the video starts. From here, drag the trim handles to start from where the first part ended and select the remaining portion of the video. At this stage, tap Post to upload the second part of your story. Finally, both story parts will now appear back to back on your profile, giving viewers the experience of watching one continuous, longer video. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you post a longer story, give it a like. Subscribe for more Facebook tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.